How to create MetaQuest account. Creating a MetaQuest account is easy. Now follow these steps to set up your account and start using your MetaQuest headset. First of all, open a preferred web browser, and all you have to do is in the search address bar tap and type down the MetaQuest and hit enter. Now all you have to do is tap on the first MetaQuest option available there to navigate to their official website. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it, and there you will get to see option like create new account or sign in. Simply tap on the create since we are creating a new account on MetaQuest, and then you'll be navigated to the page where you'll have to enter your personal information. Now here, write down your email address and tap on the next option available there. Now, enter your first name and last name once done so. Then tap on the next option available again. Now you'll be navigated to enter your birthday. Now, you must be 13 plus to use the MetaQuest. So make sure you are 13 plus and tap on the next option available there. Now here, create a password. Create a strong password and tap on the next option available there. You can simply ask your laptop to create one, or you can create one on yourself as well. Once done so, tap on the next option available again and check box on the terms and condition. Then again tap on the next. Now what happens is you'll be navigated to the section where you have to enter the verification code sent on your Gmail address. The email address you have written here, there will be a verification code sent. All you have to do is type down the verification code and tap on the next option available there. Once done so, your account is created. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.